Kwyjibo! Kwyjibo is one of my favorite tricks. It's a great trick to transition from your beginner skills into your more advanced skills. So let's try it out. First thing you have to do is throw a trapeze. Looks like this. So you're throwing it from the side and mounting it on the string. The next part is twofold. So you throw your trapeze, you're gonna hop the yo-yo into the air, but instead of catching it on the string as you would in an Eli hop, you're actually going to slice the string and do a cut on it. Here's what that looks like. Okay, so I have my arms crossed and it lands on this string here that's wrapped around my finger. There will be two strings when you are slicing it in the air. Just make sure it's the one coming around your finger and not the one coming off of your throw hand. So you want to land it here, not here. Once you've landed it in a trapeze, cut the yo-yo, you are going to flip your hands over like this and you cross them the other way. In the next part of this trick, you're going to do the same motion as the beginning. Hop the yo-yo up into the air and cut it, except this time it's going to land in a double or nothing. Here's what that looks like. And finally, you're going to hop the yo-yo up again and pull your hands apart to land in a trapeze. My name's Ashley, this is the Rain City Skills Guitarist, and we'll see you next time for another tutorial.